All right, so good evening and welcome to today's lesson. Okay, so today there's not going to be much. It's just going to be mostly focused on the weekly task we discussed yesterday that we told you we'll be actually assigning to you over this weekend. Okay, so you are going to be assigned 2 tasks, each from different platforms. Okay, one from TryHackMe and then another one from Cyber Talent. Okay, yeah. So without wasting much time, I'll just share my screen and then start showing you what to do. Can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Alright, great. So once you can all see my screen, then let's all launch our TryHackMe, or let's go to TryHackMe. So we just wait for it to finish loading. So once it's loaded, probably you'll be actually given a notification to like sign in or something. So you just sign in, and then once you are signed in, you should see a dashboard like this. Okay, so once you see the dashboard, you can just continue, okay, by going to learn. So you click on learn, then you go to walkthrough, and inside the search here you search for Linux. Okay, now the Linux fundamentals, previously these 3 used to be free, because I think it was last year or last 2 years, then they moved the 2 and 3 to premium, because in our previous batches I made them do 1, 2, 3, but currently only this one is free. So you'd actually do this, okay, or you can just filter by the free ones here. Okay, you realize the other 2 are gone, so we do this one here. Okay, so you click on Linux Fundamentals 1, and then this is the course or the program for Linux Fundamentals 1. Now it has a video, okay, but I just advise you skip the video for now. Don't start with the video. The video is actually a solution on how you should go by the tasks here, okay, but you would want to do it yourself before, and then when you get stuck, that is when you come and check the video. Okay, so this is how the tasks are supposed to be completed. So each task comes with its own lessons, and then it has certain questions you would have to answer. Okay, but before that, since you are all new to this, maybe like some of you might be new to this room, you would see a button somewhere here that says join room. Okay, so if you don't click on that button to join the room, you wouldn't be able to access the answer section. Okay, yeah, I think even the video might not even load. Okay, so each task has its own content. Okay, so what you do is you read the content, make sure you understand it, don't rush through, then you'll be given sections to provide answers, and then you put the answers there. Then you have some interactive, or let's say hands-on sessions too as well, where here you would actually launch a Kali which is in browser. Okay, so they're going to show you the steps you are supposed to go through to launch that thing. Okay, so you just do it by clicking start machine, and then you see something that says split screen somewhere, and then you split your screen into 2 like this, and you will be working in the in-browser Linux. Okay, that is how you will be able to complete the rest of the course here. Okay, so once that is done, currently you would only get a badge as part of your TryHackMe's collection, that you had a badge for Linux Fundamentals 1. Okay, now since we can't complete 2 and 3, you move on to another platform called Cyber Talent. Okay, so you launch Cyber Talent, and then this is how it looks like. So that one too, you'll be provided with an interface like this. And then if you're not logged in, because I actually used the previous, took the previous class, that is why automatically my session is still there. But you actually have to click on login. So let me just log out. So this is how it's going to open when you first come in first time. Okay, so if you don't have an account, you click on register and then you fill out the form and then you create a new account. If you have an account, you just click on login, then you type in your credentials to log in, then you click on the login button and it logs you in. Yeah, then what you would do is you would click on learn. Then from learn, you would look for the course that says certified Linux practitioner. Okay, look for Linux practitioner, Cyber Talent certified Linux practitioner, this one. The rest of them, some of them might be free, some of them might be paid, but currently this one is free, and I think cybersecurity is also free. Yeah, but this is what we are doing. You can do cybersecurity as a bonus for yourself. Okay, so you click on Cyber Talent certified Linux practitioner. Then I think let's just click on it one more time. Yeah, so once it opens, you already get to see some statistics. It says there are 11 lessons, 14 labs, and then 3 it's actually giving you like an estimate. Okay, so you can actually use 3 hours to complete this. That is what they are giving us, an estimated time of completion. Okay, so what you do, you can go through the overview, okay, just to understand what you'll be facing. Then you scroll to, you go to like lessons, and you get to see the 11 lessons when it loads. So these are your 11 lessons, probably like 10 or something, because this one might not be part. This is just an introduction to capture the flag events, which Cyber Talent adds to most of their courses. Okay, and then most of the lessons here contain what we call challenges. The challenges is what enables Cyber Talent to track your progress. So you can see it says 100% complete. So if you go through, if you click on a lesson, what you would first be introduced to is going to be the reading aspect or the theory aspect of the lesson. Okay, so this is it. So you read through it, understand it, and then at the end of every lesson you are being given additional video resources just to serve as reinforcement on whatever you've been taught here. Okay, so once everything is done, you understand what you've read, you've watched the videos, and then you understand it, just come to the navigations at the top here and then click on challenges, just to check if that lab or that lesson has a challenge. When you click on challenges and then you see a challenge here, then you have to work on the challenge, or you have to solve it before you get to see your progress. Okay, so you click on the challenge again. Here it says 1337, which is basically Elite SSH. So you click on it and it's going to open the particular challenge for you. Alright, so let's just wait to see it open. Yeah, so once the challenge opens, with challenges that enables or that requires you to start an instance, right, you would have this green button that says start. Okay, so we'll have to solve the challenge by going through reading the description of the challenge and then just provide your answer here, and then you click on submit. When you submit the answer and then it's correct, you would get a green alert box pop up from the bottom here. If it's wrong, it's going to be red. Okay, so once you click on start challenge, it's going to load or start creating the challenge for you. Now most people would panic when they see that, oh, I have clicked on start challenge and then I'm seeing this progress bar moving, but I'm not seeing the challenge. Where is the challenge? Don't panic. This actually means the challenge is being loaded. This is what is creating, or what this means, that the challenge is being created for you. So just wait for it to finish loading, and then you will get a link which you can later on click to start working on the challenge. Okay, yeah, so don't panic when you see this progress bar here. Just wait for it to finish, and then you can always when you wait for it to finish, then you just click on the link that will be provided to you to just continue with the challenge. Okay, yeah, so that is the two of them. So try Hack Me and then Cyber Talent for you. Okay, any question?